Western Card deals the first blow on the outside, but Shark Gesture counters from the inside and fires out. Foiled again from the inside with Hypnotic Blue Chip fourth into the first turn. Oliver Cleo floated away, tucks in fifth in front of Liz again. They're mixing it up three wide. Shark Gesture now dealing with Annie's Western Card on the outside as Pierce forges to the lead here. Foiled again is third. Hypnotic Blue Chip is fourth with Oliver Cleo and Liz again. First quarter, 25-4. In the backstretch, last year's Berries Creek winner, not for long. Annie's Western Card gives it up to Shark Gesture. George Brennan wants full control here with the heavy favorite and the graduate winner. Shark Gesture strides out here and takes the lead. Annie's Western Card now second, midway up the backstretch. Foiled again is third. Hypnotic Blue Chip and Anxious fourth. And then it's Oliver Cleo and Liz again. They're single file at the half following Shark Gesture. And he hits the half in 53 3/5. Shark Gesture in front. Annie's Western Card second, foiled again, third on the cones. Hypnotic Blue Chip is still fourth inside. Then Oliver Cleo and Liz again. He's got them all seated here with 3/8 out. Shark Gesture. Annie's Western Card edging out of the pocket, but now here comes Jody Jamieson with Hypnotic Blue Chip. And he's serious about it now. He's going to shoot the works with Hypnotic Blue Chip. Hypnotic Blue Chip taking it to Shark Gesture. Caught him by surprise there. Oliver Cleo on the outside third. 3/4 won, 21-3. Hypnotic Blue Chip was unleashed here by Jody Jamieson. Leads it by 2. Now 3 is the one to catch. Oliver Cleo on the outside. Shark Gesture on the inside, battling back for second. Then it's Annie's Western Card. Hypnotic Blue Chip at 11-1. Jody Jamieson did it. It's Hypnotic Blue Chip in 1:47-2. World record time over Shark Gesture. Oliver Cleo